Una well done o. My name na Dr. Toyin. Today we wan talk about wetin dem dey call dyspepsia. Dyspepsia no be say na really disease, but e just dey describe some things wey some people dey get. If sometimes the up part of your belle you feel say pain dey or just discomfort dey, and especially if this thing you con get nausea or you con dey vomit or you con dey feel full, bloating, or be like say when you chop small food you don already full, then all these things fit dey describe wetin dem dey call dyspepsia. E get some things wey dey cause dyspepsia. Sometimes if your gullet don swell small, wetin dem dey call esophagitis, or if your belle lining swell, wetin dem dey call gastritis, e fit cause this thing. Sometimes wetin dem dey call hiatus hernia dey fit cause am. Some medicine sef fit cause am. Things like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory like ibuprofen fit cause am. Sometimes oral steroids or some antidepressants go fit cause am too. If you dey drink ogogoro well, e go fit cause am. Then if maybe you get these things and then you con dey lose weight, e fit be cancer of either the gullet or the stomach, wetin dem dey call esophageal cancer or stomach cancer fit cause am. Sometimes sef you see say, especially when you dey lie down or you dey bend down, you see say your mouth or this part go dey burn you, e fit be dyspepsia. Sometimes too when you go dey cough, you don take antibiotics, you don do treatment, the cough no dey go, e fit be the dyspepsia wey dey cause am. Because wetin dey happen, the acid for belle go con dey come up, con dey irritate this place, dey make you dey cough well. E no get any test per se when dem dey do for this thing, but you fit check if you get wetin dem dey call helicobacter pylori, and you go fit do that one through either breath test or stool test. If the thing bad well, dem fit do wetin dem dey call upper gastrointestinal endoscopy. And wetin that one mean be say e go get one camera wey dem go put inside your mouth, come look through your gullet to your belle to see if something dey cause am. Now if you get this thing, wetin you fit do? First of all, if na medicine dey cause am, make you stop the medicine. If na alcohol, make you stop am. If all that one no work, you fit use wetin dem dey call proton pump inhibitor like omeprazole. Sometimes you go need to use high dose first, then you go come reduce the dose later on when you don feel better. Sometimes sef you see say spicy food dey fit cause am, so make you no dey eat too much pepper inside if you see say na im dey cause am. I hope say you enjoy this video well. Make you watch am again and make you share am to your friends. No forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next week, smile because e dey healthy. Bye o.